Hey everybody, Scaniac here. Somebody on Reddit asked for some videos about the new Cache Shovel plugin, or the second version of it. So, this is a plugin for Electron Cache. You can download it here on the GitHub, and then you can follow the instructions to install it. This is the README file. It's fairly easy to install. You just have to go to the right location and then copy paste the directory into there. And then there's one file you have to open, and you have to add a line to it, and then you have to run this command I guess, to reinstall it or something like that. I'm not a developer. I don't have all the technical skills. Anyway, so I've done that, and if you do that, I typed my password incorrectly. If you do it, then you'll start seeing an extra tab here, Shuffle tab. First of all, to be able to try it out right now, you're going to not just need an address with at least 0.01 BCH on it, but the inputs need to be you need to have an input that has at least that onto it. So let's mix these coins. We're gonna take one of our addresses here as an output, and we're gonna try doing it with Cache Shuffle because I don't have Tor installed right now, and cachemixer.org is not replying to my ping, so I can't reach that server. But I'm getting a response from this one here. So let's try it out. Type in my password. So it doesn't work. Cannot register on the pool. I don't know how to fix that, and it would be great if somebody helps me with that. I already created an issue, but here I cannot register on the pool. This Cache Shuffle server belongs to somebody that's known in the Bitcoin Cash funds. Hopefully he can help with that. So then there's always testnet that you can play around with. Not everybody has all the coins. To use testnet, if you're using Electron Cache on Linux and you're not super handy in the terminal, with command prompt, I'm not super handy with that. I'm learning a lot. You can use testnet by pasting or by writing this behind, just like two lines or dashes. I don't know what you call that symbol, and then testnet and save it. And you have to do launch anyway. Yeah. So now I have some testnet wallets here. So now to be able to do this, you need also other people that are trying to do this at the same time. Otherwise, there's nobody that you can shuffle with. So I cannot test it unless there's other people that are going to be trying it at the same time. Of course, I could have different wallets and then test it with my own wallet. So that's kind of what I've done. I have made some test wallets here. So that's my wallet 2. So we'll open this one here. This is number 1. This is number 2, and we'll open a third wallet. And it's testnet 3. Alright, so now let's try it on testnet. We'll go to shuffle here, shuffle there. First of all, I would like this to get fixed so I can start testing it out on my own computer. Because if I click here, here, and here, the console output should all go in the respective windows, but it doesn't. It only goes into one window. So now I clicked here, but my output's going here. So and see, and there should be some information here as well. So now it shows that it's going to share the keys, and then it's giving me errors. So same key appears. I don't know what that means or how to fix that. So if there are people that want to help with that, join the Bitcoin Cash Fund Discord. I'm sure you'll be able to get a link from somebody to sign up, and then maybe you can start testing this out and see if we can get it to work. Because right now it doesn't work, as far as I know. I mean, I can't use it, and if we want this to be usable, it needs to, even like people like me that are not developers need to be able to start playing around with it, with other Redditors and with other Bitcoin Cash enthusiasts, so we can see how it works. And this is why I'm making that video. So I hope some people will start helping so we can get this plugin to work. And if you're not a developer, we need test users for all this stuff. So just join, and there's lots of like coders that hang out here that are working on little apps and stuff, and and once in a while they need people to like users to help them with like testing this stuff from like a user's perspective. Like engineers need users to tell them, hey, this works and this kind of works, but I'm never going to use it because it doesn't make any sense. That's the dynamics and the interactions that we need if we want to keep on developing onto this. It's cool that there are plugins for Electron Cache, and yeah, there should be more plugins. If people come up with really cool ideas, then we should build more plugins so we don't end up with like a million different wallets. We could just have like, as for instance, like this is my favorite simple payment verification wallet. I think it's by far the best one on the market right now, and it would be cool if there's more people developing plugins for it, so it becomes even more usable. So you can, if there's businesses that are start using it, or users start, maybe plugins for automating certain actions, that kind of stuff. There's so much we can start building on top of this. So I'll end my video here.